guys, this is my bag. Okay, we're gonna do a review. Okay?
Review.
You can open it here.
Wow.
And here's my bag. Here's my pen and correction tape and my papers and my notebooks and my
Tablet.
my paper. I show you the secret compartments of my house. A house? My bag. Wait a moment. I think it's gonna take a while. Yeah. Can you help me, sis? No. Later na, Dada. Later na. Here's my secret compartments. I have a compartment right here. Here. So many space. You can put your books in here. And there is a secret compartment at the bottom. Look. You can open it. Look. And I put my umbrella in here. In case it rains or gets hot. And here's my mini fan and my towel. I put it in here.
Kita.
Look. And I put my snacks here and my money. I put it right here. Waray nga di salapi, anay. Man, waray. Para ka salapi.
Asaling may money.
I don't have money, sorry. And I think there's a secret compartment right here. Waray na. Okay, that's for today. And thank you, Auntie Juan, for the bag. See you guys to the next video.